Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing this rainbow glitter nails and I absolutely love them. You can play with this design any way you want, but this is what I did and I will show you how you can do it as well. So the first thing you want to do is have your base color. This is the color that I have chosen. It's like a light gray color, which I absolutely love. I am always on a hunt for a perfect light gray nail polish. I'm so happy that I have few of those in my collection and I absolutely love them. This is one of those and it's such a pretty gray shade and it's so complementary to hands, so I absolutely love it even on its own. Next thing you will need is a little striping brush and glitter nail polishes of your choice. I picked out some pink ones, some rainbow ones, and also some holo silver glitter that you will see. Then you basically want to create little like stripes coming down from your cuticle area, and you want to make sure one of them is like smaller, one is longer. Then you just want to alternate between different colors and do the same thing that I'm doing, which is just making stripes. It doesn't have to be perfect. Even it looks better when it's not like fully perfect, in my opinion. I just love it because it reminds me of all the like ornaments on the Christmas tree. Even though I feel like this design can be worn at any like occasion, I just think it will be very pretty for Christmas time. I also think it will look very pretty for New Year's Eve. And oh my god, I cannot believe that it's almost 2019 and I have read that this is the last time we will have year end with teen. I mean, I cannot believe it and I'm so excited for New Year and I hope you guys are as well. I will talk with you tomorrow with a brand new design. Until then, never let anyone dull your sparkle and leave me a comment below because I love hearing your feedback. Give this video a thumbs up and bye till tomorrow.